This is Mac fishing. Today we came Lake Texoma to crappie fishing. Water kind of muddy because last night was heavy rain. We'll see what happened today. Nice crappie. Okay, we got a white crappie. Nice. It's about 13. Another big crappie. Fight hard. The crappie getting bigger. I've got a small sand bass on the bottom. Beautiful fish. Okay. Come on. Come on. Good one. We lost one jigs. I think when we retrieve the line on the top water, sand bass grab it. It is a beautiful black crappie mohawk, also known black nose crappie. Pretty nice fish. 12 inches. Okay, we're gonna tie the line. We come back. Today we're gonna use black chartreuse and the purple color. It's a Magic's. This is 2 inches. You see the split tail. Split tail bring more action, brought more attention. Okay, let's see what happens. Big crappie. Oh, 14-inch crappie. Nice, beautiful. Good crappie. Good crappie. Ah, 14. Nice. At about noon, early morning, the crappie lay on the column, very close column. You do vertical jigging, they strike. But after 9 or 10 o'clock, the feeding pattern was changed. It's more like winter time. They chase jigs no more. They just wait over there. Just like you had a dinner and sit on the couch, watch TV. There was some snack in front of you. You grab it. You have the sand of the jig just in front of crappie. They won't chase right now. A lot of people, after 10 they stop biting, they just leave. They saw the crappie left, go somewhere else. It's not. The crappie is still here. They just change the feeding pattern. So you need very lightweight, very sensitive rods and lightweight jigs. I went many times for limit out on the noon time. It's nobody over there. There's no other fishermen. It's a good opportunity for you when other people saw it's no fish or fish is gone. Look, another good crappie. They completely stopped doing the vertical chicken. I have let them fall to search the fish. Early morning is the fish looking for the jigs, looking for the food. But now you need to feed the jigs to the mouth. Okay, here we go. Giant slab. Giant crappie. Bad crappie. Over 14 feet, 14 inches. For this is part of confusion about after 9-10 o'clock. Majority fishermen, they just left or go somewhere else. This is my experience. Changes the feeding pattern and try to locate the fish. Beautiful. I forgot to charge the battery last night. The camera battery almost gone. A low battery. If they stop, they stop. Okay, we try again. I like the jigs just barely follow the wind direction. If you notice, my rod tip always on the top. On the top means you have a short time setting hook. So won't let fish go. Oh, come on. Oh, unbelievable. You see, I got a double. Oh, I think lost one. That one lost one. It's a big crappie. It's a big one. I saw the fish merge on the water, so he lost that one. It's okay, they're always here. Also, if you notice, a lot of people like very calm water for crappie. Actually, you need some wind to bring the water to the current, to bring more oxygen for the fish. They're more active. I didn't edit this part. I want you to see complete the step. What I'm doing for on the bridge on the bridge crappie fishing. Okay, here's another one. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful crappie. This is a little smaller, about a 13.5. Beautiful. I'm gonna keep a few fish for my lunch today. We're not gonna try to limit out. If we catch more, probably I'm gonna release them. This is how I do crappie fishing. Don't so attach on the colors. Just follow the rules. Stay in water or low light condition, you use dark color jigs. If his water is clear, a sunny day, you try to use a light color like lamb green or purple, or other like green sparkle, other colors. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate for your support. If you subscribe or comment below. See you guys next time. We got about 15 fish. That's good for lunch. Okay, thank you.